ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In the first chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi, we are in the 26th shloka. Purvapakshi said, Nitya Naimittika Karma, their phalam is not heard in Vedas. And moksha is a phalam for whom there is sadhana akanksha. So you have karma for which there is phalakanksha, phalam for which there is sadhana akanksha. So because of anyanya akanksha, between them there could be parishesha nyayana sambandha siddhyati. This is on page 18. In this, there is a nyaya. This is called Nashtashvadagdharatha Nyaya. Nashtashvadagdharatha Nyaya. So there is one ratha in which, ratha chariot, the back portion is burnt. And there is another chariot where horses are destroyed or they have run away, let us say. So now you have cart in one, horses in the other. So what do? You take cart from here, horses from the other, you put together, create one horse, one chariot, ratha. Like that, Purvapakshi says, here you have Nitya Naimittika Karma, here you have Moksha Phala. Moksha Phala is seeking sadhana, Nitya Naimittika Karma is seeking phalam. You connect the two and there is sambandha. So, evam anyasham api ashruta phalanam karmana moksha sadhanatvam setsyati. This is his ashanka. So, we saw Parisheshya Siddhi is not there. See in Tika now. Vidher ishtat sadhana rupatvat. Sadhyasya cha ishtatvan. Mokshasya cha asadhyatvat. अग्निहोत्रं जुहोति इत्यादि उत्पत्ति विधि वाक्यादेव विशिष्ट साधनत्व प्रतीते रश्रूयमाण फलकेषु विश्वजिदादिषु सस्वर्गः सर्वान् प्रति अविशिष्टत्वात् इति विश्वजिद अधिकरण न्यायेन स्वर्गस्यैव फलत्वेन श्रवणात् न पारिशेष न्याय सिद्धि इत्यर्थः. Purvapakshi said Parishesha Nyaya Siddhi is there because both of them they have Anyanya Akanksha. Siddhanti says there is no such thing. Why? Vidhehe Ishta Sadhana Rupatvat. The Vidhi Nishedhatmaka karma in Veda, they are for Ishta Sadhana. Means they are for Ishta Prapti, they are those karmas, they are sadhana for that Ishta. सो विधेः इष्ट साधन रूपत्वम. विधि वाक्यज आर फॉर योर इष्ट attainment. They are the sadhana, they are the means. What is sadhya? Sadhyasya cha ishtatvat. Sadhya is your ishta. So vidhi is ishta sadhana, sadhya is ishta. So sadhya sadhana sambandha is there between them. Mokshasya cha asadhyatvat. Moksha is not sadhya, Siddhanti says. When they use the word sadhya, this portion should be clear. Sadhya sadhana. For a particular means or for a particular goal, you have particular means. Particular sadhya requires certain sadhana. And in this, what is the clarity required? That Brahmatva, my Brahmatva is attained through some sadhana, or my Brahmatva, is it already there? This is where the confusion comes. If my Brahmatva is not there right now, and it will come in due course of time through some sadhana, then it will be called sadhya. But if my Brahmatva is already there, but unknown, it is there, not known. So then, Brahmatva is not sadhya. Abrahmatva, Bhranti, Nivritti is my sadhya. Abrahmatva is a Bhranti. That Bhranti Nivritti is now, that is my sadhya. And whenever it is a Bhranti Nivritti, it is only through Jnana. For some reason, I think I am not Brahma. Sadhya sadhana is, I want to go to Swarga, Swarga is my sadhya, karma is my sadhana. I want to go to Brahmaloka, karma plus upasana is my sadhana. For moksha, if at all you want to say moksha is sadhya, then jnanam is sadhana. But the reality is, moksha means Brahmatva. Brahmatva is not sadhya. Brahmatva is already there. Only jnanam is needed. Mokshas, that's why it is given mokshasya cha asadhyatvat. Agnihotram juhoti ityadi utpatti vidhi vakyadev vishishta sadhanatva pratitehe. Therefore, Agnihotram juhoti, such vakya, utpatti vidhi vakyadeva. How many vidhis are there?
4.
What are they?
उत्पत्ति विधि, नियम विधि, अधिकार विधि,
अपूर्व विधि and परिसंख्या.
अपूर्व नियम परिसंख्या.
That is, in that there is no utpatti. That is different. This is different. That apurva vidhi, niyama vidhi, parisankhya vidhi are different. Who said? Somebody else give some answer? Utpatti vidhi,
नियम विधि, अधिकार विधि.
there is no niyama there. Utpatti vidhi, viniyoga vidhi, adhikar vidhi, prayoga vidhi. This is from Artha Sangraha. Vidhis chaturvidaha. Utpatti vidhi. Utpatti vidhi is कर्म स्वरूप मात्र बोधको उत्पत्ति विधि. कर्म स्वरूप मात्र बोधक विधि is called उत्पत्ति विधि. So अग्निहोत्रम जुहोति इत्यादि उत्पत्ति विधि वाक्याद एव. Through this उत्पत्ति विधि वाक्य, through this विशिष्ट साधनत्व प्रतीते है. कर्म has विशिष्ट साधनत्व and it has a particular sadhya. That sadhya is ishta. Ishta sadhyatva sambandha will be there. Siddhanti is saying, therefore you should not say, oh, I don't have any sadhya, so I want to match this with moksha phala. Ashruyamana phalakeshu vishwajidadishu sa swargaha. Now this portion you should underline or note. विश्वजिदादिषु सस्वर्गः सर्वान् प्रति अविशिष्टत्वात् इति विश्वजिद अधिकरण न्यायेन. In Purva Mimamsa there is a nyaya, means a sutra. Purva Mimamsa sutra on the adhikarana is called Vishwajit Adhikarana. And what does this Adhikarana say? Jaimini Maharshi Ji has discussed this, that if there are any karmas in Vedas for which phalam is not specified, what is the result of this karma, that is not given, then saha swargaha, then you should understand the result of that is swarga. Why? Sarvan prati avishishtatvat. Sarvan prati avishishtatvat means swarga means sukham. That sukham everybody wants. Long lasting sukham everybody wants. Unobstructed sukham everybody wants. That is called swarga. And yanna dukkhena sambhinnam, that which is not associated with dukkham, etc. Such swarga, sarvan prati avishishtatvat, everybody is seeking that only. So, in this Vishwajit Adhikarana, Vishwajit Yaga, its phalam is swarga. Any other yaga whose phalam is not given, phalam will be swarga. So if Purvapakshi says for Nitya Karma no phalam is given in Vedas, Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi that you all in your Purva Mimamsa, you have decided that if there is any karma whose phalam is not given, we will accept swarga as its phalam. So you cannot say now that Nitya Karma's phalam is not given, therefore Nitya Karma will give moksha phalam. Understood this point?
Yes, Swamiji.
नहीं स्वामी जी समझ में नहीं आया.
Vishwajit Nyaya in Purva Mimamsa says that if there is any karma in Veda for which phalam is not indicated explicitly, that if you do this karma you will get this phalam, then you should understand by default the result of that karma is swarga. So Purvapakshi said Nitya Karma will give moksha phalam because there is no phalam mentioned of Nitya Karma. Siddhanti said, how can Nitya Karma give moksha phalam? Because you have already decided Nitya Karma whose phalam is not given in Vedas, it will give swarga as its phalam. Any karma whose phalam is not mentioned, swarga will be the phalam according to Vishwajit Adhikarana Nyaya. This is your Acharya's conclusion. So you cannot say now Nitya Karma will give moksha. विश्वजित अधिकरण न्यायेन स्वर्गस्यैव फलत्वेन श्रवणात्. स्वर्ग is the phalam. स्वर्गस्यैव फलत्वेन श्रवणात् न पारिशेष न्याय सिद्धिर इत्यर्थः. And therefore there is no parishesha nyaya here. You don't connect nitya karma, naimittika karma with moksha because their phalam is already given. Etadeva shlokena spashtayati durita iti. We have to chant the shloka now, 26. Did we do this shloka already?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Durita kshapanarthatvad na nityam syad vimuktaye. Nitya karma is not for moksha. Why? Because it is for durita kshapana. Kshapana shabda kshapanam is two dhatus are there. This kshay, kshaye dhatu, nich pratyaya if you do, and then lut, it will become kshapana. Otherwise, different groups, different forms are there. Kshepana is the common one. But we want kshapana. Kshapana means to eliminate, to remove. Durita means papa karma. Nitya karma, its role is to remove papa karma. Too many papa karmas we already accumulate. So that's why nitya karma should be done. Nitya karma will not give moksha phala. And swargadi phala sambandhat kamyam karma tathaivana. Swargadi phala sambandhat kamya karma is also not for moksha. See in Tika. Yadyapi swasiddhante nityanam karmanam pitruloka prapti phalatvam karmana pitruloka iti shrutes. Swasiddhante means in Vedanta Mata, in Advaita Vedanta Mata, Nityanam karmanam pitruloka prapti phalatvam. Nitya karma's phalam is pitruloka prapti, according to Vedanta. How do we say? Because there is a Shruti, karmana pitruloka. All karma, they will give pitruloka. And Vishwajit Nyaya, then some karmas will give you Swarga. तथापि मीमांसक दृष्टि अपेक्षया येन is separate word, येन केनचन यजेतापि वा दर्वी होमेन अनुपहतमना एव भवति इति वाक्यात् तेषां दुरितक्षपणार्थत्वाभ्युपगमात् न मोक्षफलत्वम्. तथापि मीमांसक दृष्टि अपेक्षया, according to पूर्व मीमांसकस, येन केनचन यजेतापि वा दर्वी होमेन. So there is Darvi Homa. Darvi Homa is an offering which is done to Indra. And according to Mimamsa, that which is not a Prakriti Yaga and that which is not a Vikriti Yaga, means that which doesn't have any Prakriti Vikriti Sambandha, such Yaga will be called Darvi Yaga or Darvi Homa. And with whatever dravya you do, actually there is some rice that you have to do there. Yena kenachana yajetapi. If somebody, anybody who performs this Darvi Homa, then Darvi Homena anupahatamana eva bhavati. Anupahatamana. What will be the samasa? Samasa vigraha. Yesterday in Brahadaranyaka, a similar word had come. Those who are attending Brahadaranyaka, they should know.
Upahata mana yasya. Na upahata manaha yasya.
Upahatam mano yasya saha upahatam manaha na upahata manaha anupahata manaha. Manaha dirgha. What is the sutra for dirgha?
Atvasantasya cha dhatu.
आत्मसंत
Atvasantasya cha dhatoh. And sakara, visarga is there. Where is that visarga coming from?
Manas shabda.
And what happened to pratyaya?
Halangyabhyo dirghat siddhi.
अलग्याभ्योदय
Supratyaya lopa will happen. Means a sakara lopa will happen. Darvi homena anupahatamanaha eva bhavati iti vakyat tesham. So this nitya karma siddhanti says tesham durita kshapanarthatva abhipagamat. It is accepted by Mimamsakas that nitya karma also will do papakshaya. And then it will help in Swarga Prapti, but not moksha. Means they are not directly connecting to moksha. Na moksha phalatvam. So that's why when you do karma, puja adi every day and you say mamopata samasta durita kshaya dwara, this is kshapana, same thing. तथा काम्यम अपि न मोक्ष फलम स्वर्गादि फल संबंधाद एव इत्यर्थः. तथा काम्य कर्म इज आल्सो नॉट मोक्ष फलम. काम्यम अपि नॉट न मोक्ष फलम मीन्स काम्य कर्मणः न मोक्ष फलम. मोक्ष फलम इज बहुव्रीहि समास. काम्यम अपि न मोक्ष फलम मीन्स मोक्षम फलम मोक्षो मोक्ष मोक्षः फलम यस्य मोक्षम फलम यस्य तत्कर्म मोक्ष फलम काम्य मोक्षम फलम यस्य कर्मणः काम्य कर्मणः तत्कर्म काम्यम मोक्ष फलम समानाधिकरण. Kamya karma, he says, will not give moksha. Why? Swargadi phala sambandhadeva. Because there is Swargadi sambandha. So in these two things, you have to note. One was Nashtashva Dagdharatha Nyaya. Second was Vishwajit Nyaya. Vishwajit Adhikarana Nyaya. Both you have to make note. मोक्षोद्देशेन कर्मणां विधानाभावादपि न तत्साधनं त्वम् इत्याह प्रमाण इति. मोक्षोद्देशेन कर्मणां विधान अभावात्. Siddhanti says also another point is no karma is mentioned giving moksha phalam. It is not said in Veda, this karma will give moksha. Moksha uddeshena karmanam vidhana, vidhi abhavat. Therefore, na tat sadhanatvam, na moksha sadhanatvam karmanam. Karma cannot have moksha sadhanatvam. Ityaha. Pramana sambhavacha in sambandhokti. Praman is asambhava. There is no pramana that karma will give moksha. Any karma. Nitya, naimittika, kamya, nishiddha, nothing will give moksha. Because there is no pramana. There is no Veda Vakya. Paralaukikaha. We have to chant this shloka now. Sadhya sadhana bhavoyam vachanat paralaukikaha nashrosham mokshadam karma
नाशोषं मोक्षदं कर्म श्रुतिर्वक्ता
sadhya sadhana bhavoyam
स्वयं वचनात् परलोके
paralaukikaha nashrosham mokshadam karma
नाशोषं मोक्षदं कर्म श्रुति
साध्य साधन भावोयं वचनात् पारलौकिकः अयं साध्य साधन भावः पारलौकिकः वचनात्. वचनात् इज द हेतु. श्रुतेर वक्त्रात् कथंचन मोक्षदं कर्म न अश्रौषं. अश्रौषं, what is the dhatu?
Shru.
Shru shravane dhatu. Which rupa is this?
Lung.
Lung lakara. Paralaukikaha. So see the meaning of the shloka. Ayam sadhya sadhana bhavaha paralaukikaha vachanat. This sadhya sadhana bhava is paralaukikaha, means this karma as the sadhana definitely will give you paralaukika phalam, means some other loka prapti, not moksha. This is clear. And from shruter vaktrat, vaktra means mukham, from the mouth of the shruti, means from shruti, kathanchana mokshadam karma na ashrausham. We have not heard that there is any mokshadam karma. मीमांसक शब्द के मीमांसक, मीमांसक, how is the what is the dhatu for मीमांसक?
Mang.
Mang.
Man pujayam. And then me, this dirgha, meemansa. How? What is the sutra? Man badhadan shanbhyah dirghascha abhyasasya. Man badhadan shanbhyo dirghascha abhyasasya. So there is dirgha also in abhyasa. So meemansa for all these. Like meemamsate, bibhatsate, didansate, and shishansate, etc. Man pujayam means adara purvaka vichar. That is meemansa. So Shruti does not say mokshadam karma. ठीक है. पारलौकिकः साध्य साधन भावो वचनाद् भवति. वचनञ्च मोक्ष हेतुत्वेन कर्माभिधायकं श्रौतं वा स्मार्तं वा नोपलभ्यत इत्यर्थः. पारलौकिक साध्य साधन भावो वचनाद् भवति. थ्रू वचन, that there is Shruti vachan. Vachan means Shruti vachan says paralaukika sadhya, for which karma is sadhana. Vachanancha moksha hetutvena karma vidhayakam shrautam va smartam va nopalabhyata ityartha. And there is no vachanam, Veda vachanam or smriti vachanam, which says moksha hetutvena karma abhidhayakam vachanam. Abhidhayakam means that which does abhidhanam, which does exposition of some karma for moksha. There is no such vachanam. There are no such vakyas. Karma abhidhayakam shrautam va smartam va nopalabhyata ityartha. It is not available. No, there is no such thing, Siddhanti says. So there is no chance for nitya karma giving moksha, naimittika karma, kamya karma. Neither there is any mention. So many hetus are given. If you just note down the key points, Siddhanti said, for this reason, karma cannot give moksha. For this reason, karma cannot give moksha. One karma cannot give moksha. All karmas put together cannot give moksha. Varnashrama karmas are different. So, who will do which karma? One person cannot do all karmas. If you say swakarma, swavarnashrama karma, if you do, that phalam cannot be moksha. That phalam is only chitta shuddhi, because it is different for everybody. All these arguments we have seen. You should keep a track so that never ever you think that moksha is something which is going to happen as a future event. Means my Brahmatva is not there right now and one day I will become Brahma. This can never happen. Further, 28. Yad uktam akurvatah kriya kamya ityadi tad asmabhi rabhyupagatam eva tvayapi uktam nadhikam ityaha. Akurvatah kriya kamya, this was said in 10th shloka. Nishiddhas tyajatastatha. If you don't do kamya karma, and if you give up nishiddha karma, and nitya naimittika karma, if you do vidhivat anushtanam, then you will get moksha. If you don't do kamya karma, you will not go to swarga. If you don't do nishiddha karma, you will not go to naraka. And if you keep doing nitya naimittika karma, you will not have any obstruction in your moksha. That's all. This is what Purvapakshi had said in 10th shloka. Akurvata kriya kamya. Siddhanti says here, what you said at that time, yaduktam tvaya akurvatah kriya kamya ityadi tad asmabhihi abhyupagatam eva. We accept that. You have not said anything new. We also say you should not do kamya karma. For a Vedanti who is interested in moksha, we say don't do any kamya karma. Don't initiate any desire prompted karma. One. Then nishiddha karma. Don't do any nishiddha karma. Therefore, you don't have to do any prayashchitta also. So 1, 2, 3 are gone. And Nitya Naimittika you do, we say that. For Chitta Shuddhi, that we add. So everything, whatever you have said, Kamya you should not do, Nishiddha you should not do, Prayaschit you don't have to do, Nitya Naimittika you do. But we are also saying that. So she tad asmabhi abhi अस्माभिः अभ्युपगतमेव स्वीकृतमेव त्वया उक्तं न अधिकम. You have not said anything extra there. Means it is not your matam, it is our matam also. See in Sambandhokti, Abhyupagata Abhyupagamacha Shwashru Nirgachoktivat Bhavato Nishprayojanah Pralapah. Abhyupagata Abhyupagamacha. What is already accepted that you have mentioned. It is like Shwashru Nirgacha Uktivat. What is that? We will see in Tika. Bhavato Nishprayojana Pralapa. Your pralapa, your blabbering is Nishprayojana. You futile. See in Tika, Shwashru Nirgacha Ukti. Shwashru means
mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
Sas. That Shwashru Shabda became Sas in Hindi. Mother-in-law. What is that? You read further. Bhiksham atate manavakaya. Bhiksham pratyachakshanam. Atmanah snusham bhartsayitva. Bhartsa dhatu tarjane. This finger is called tarjane. So snusha. Snusha means
Daughter-in-law.
Snusha is daughter-in-law. Shwashru is mother-in-law. Snusham bhartsayitva. Shwashru punastam ahuya samagate tasmin nasti bhiksha nirgachaiti tathaiva pratyachaste tadvad ityartha. Imagine, there was one Manavaka, some brahmachari. He was going for bhikshatanam, bhiksham atate, going from place to place. He went to some house. Bhiksham pratyachakshanam. Atmanaha, so seeking bhiksha when he went there. Snusham bhartsayitva. Snusha means the daughter-in-law in the house. She opened the door. He said, Bhavati bhikshan dehi. She said, she scolded, bhartsayitva. And then she said, Nirgacha, there is no bhiksha. Go. Daughter-in-law opened the door and said this. Mother-in-law was sitting, must be watching something. But you know, they don't do anything. Their one eye and one ear is only there. What is this daughter-in-law doing? Who came? What is the answer? She said, why are you telling that person to go? Shwashruhu punastam ahuya. She said, this daughter-in-law said, go. Mother-in-law called him, come here. So that fellow felt there is some hope now. This daughter-in-law is useless. Mother-in-law, at least she has some tradition. She might give something. Tam ahuya samagate tasmin. When that brahmachari came with the hope and opened his kamandalu, nasti bhiksha. This Sas, Shwashru said, Nasti bhiksha, nirgacha, go now. So this brahmachari must have thought that this sentence she already uttered. She already said, there is no bhiksha, go. You called me back and then you said, there is no bhiksha, go. What is the use? She says, because she doesn't have right to say this. I am the head of the house. I will tell there is no bhiksha. Go. So Siddhant is telling Purvapakshi, you are doing the same thing. Shwashru nirgacha uktivat. Just as that mother-in-law said, go, get out. Nirgacha is basically get out. Same thing she had already said. So whatever we said about karma, that don't do kamya karma, don't do nishiddha karma, and do nitya naimittika karma. The same thing you are saying, like Shwashru nirgacha uktivat. Tathaiva pratyachaste. Same answer you have repeated. So it doesn't help. Ityartha. This is a beautiful phrase. So you imagine in Sureshwaracharyaji's time also how mother-in-laws were. Shwashru nirgacha uktivat bhavato nishprayojanah pralapah. Bhavatah. Bhavatah. How is this shabda formed?
भो धातु डवतु प्रत्यय शत्रु प्रत्यय
Bhavat bhudhatu davatu pratyay shatru pratyay. Both are possible. Bhavatah. This is Shashti. Bhavatah nishprayojanah pralapah. Your pralapa has no prayojanam. Means any ukti should have prayojanam and there should be sandeha. If there is a doubt, then you clarify. There is no sandeha. Asandigdha vastu, in that there is no vivada. And nishprayojana vastu, in that there is no point in vivada. Two things. In asandigdha vastu, when there is no possibility of doubt, there is no discussion. I am ghataha. You don't have to discuss. There is no doubt about it. If somebody says, Nayam ghataha, mrittika eva, then there is a need for discussion. If both people understand, yes, this is mrittika eva, then also there is no discussion. And prayojanam should be there. Otherwise, it is like kakadanta pariksha, and it is nishprayojana. Nanu karmanam moksha sadhanatvam tvaya anabhipagatam api maya uktam ityatah. Purvapakshi says, karmanam moksha sadhanatvam tvaya anabhipagatam. You never said karma is moksha sadhanam. Karma has moksha sadhanatvam, that you didn't say. We are saying. So there is a bheda. Maya uktam ityatah. Nishiddha kamya yostyagas tvaya pishto yatha maya nityasya phalavatvacha
नित्यस्य
namoksha
फलवत्वाच्च
karma sadhanah.
न मोक्षः कर्मसाधनः
Nishiddha kamya yostyagas tvaya pishto yatha maya nityasya phalavatvacha namoksha karma sadhanah. Nishidya kamyayoho tyagah yatha tvaya ishtah तथा मया अपि इष्टः. नित्यस्य अफलवत्वाच्च न मोक्षः कर्म साधनः. यथा, just as निषिद्ध काम्ययोः त्यागः त्वया इष्टः. As you said in the 10th shloka, निषिद्ध काम्य कर्म you should not do. तथा मया अपि इष्टः. Same thing I also accept. And nityasya aphalavत्वाच्च, and you said nitya karma doesn't have phalam. Means in Mimamsakas there is a prevalent understanding nitya karma doesn't give phalam. But in Mimamsaka, in that Darvi Homa, it is said that such Homa will give Chitta Shuddhi phalam. And Vedanta strongly accepts that Nitya Karma will give Chitta Shuddhi. So Nityasya aphalavत्वात् means Nitya Karma cannot give phalam according to you. And according to us, Nitya will give Chitta Shuddhi. Therefore, in either way, Nitya Karma phala will never be moksha. So Nityasya aphalavत्वात् त्वत्पक्षे, नित्यस्य चित्त शुद्धि फलम अस्मत् पक्षे न मोक्षः कर्म साधनः. कर्म साधनम यस्य तत् सह मोक्षः कर्म साधनः. ऑल दीज आर बहुव्रीहि समास. कर्म न यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, न कर्म न मोक्षः कर्म साधन. मोक्ष इज नॉट अटेन्ड थ्रू karma. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
नित्यस्य फलवत्वाच्च न मोक्ष कर्म साधनः. ठीक है. काम्य प्रतिषिद्धयोर अभ्युदय प्रत्यवाय फलयोस त्यागात् नैमित्तिकस्य च पापक्षय फलार्थत्वान् नित्यानां च फलरहितत्वात् न मोक्षः कर्म साधन इति श्लोकार्थः. काम्य प्रतिषिद्धयोर अभ्युदय प्रत्यवाय फलयोस. काम्य कर्म अभ्युदय फल, प्रतिषिद्ध कर्म प्रत्यवाय फल. प्रत्यवाय means it will obstruct something. So काम्य प्रतिषिद्ध अभ्युदय प्रत्यवाय फलयो. त्यागान नैमित्तिकस्य च पापक्षय फलार्थत्वात्. So when you give up kamya and pratisiddha, there is no abhyudaya, there is no pratyavaya. Kasya kshay phalartha, naimit. This is your phalam. Naimittik papakshaya. Papakshaya phalam means papas will reduce if you do naimittika karma. Nityanam cha phalarahitatvat. Nitya karma has no phalam. So na moksha karma sadhanaha iti shlokartha. Nityanam phalarahityam according to them. According to us, nitya naimittika both are papakshaya phalarthatva. So 28th shloka is completed. टीका. वृत्तानुद्रवण पूर्वकम वर्तिष्यमाण ग्रंथ संदर्भस्य तात्पर्यम आह. अनुद्रवण द्रुगतौ धातु is there. गत्यर्थक धातु is for understanding ल्युट प्रत्यांत रूपम द्रवणम. Anudravana purvakam. So what is already said, to reconfirm and clarify, Vartishyamana grantha sandarbhasya tatparya. Now, the later part, what is the tatparyam of that? Siddhanti is explaining now. Tatparyam aha evam tavat. So now what has been concluded and what is coming? So that Siddhanti is giving big sambandhokti. Let us see a few sentences. Means one vakya at least. Evam tavat muktehe kriya visiddhatvat इति निरस्तोऽयं पक्षः। मुक्तेः क्रियाभिसिद्धत्वात्. What is the shloka? Which shloka was this?
Ninth one, probably.
Ninth. Ninth shloka. Muktehe kriyabhisiddhatvat jnanam tatra karoti. Kim? Purvapakshi said. Mukti is karma phala sadhya. So what is the use of jnanam? This paksha is eliminated. So now what is the one paksha said? Karma will give moksha. There is no need of jnanam. Now second pakshas are some samuchaya we have to do. एवं तावन् मुक्तेः क्रियाभिसिद्धत्वात् इति निरस्तोऽयं पक्षः। अथ अधुना सर्वकर्म प्रवृत्ति हेतु निरूपणेन यथावस्थित आत्मवस्तु विषय केवल ज्ञान मात्रादेव सकल संसार अनर्थ निवृत्तिरिति इमं पक्षं दृढयितु कामः आह इह चेदं परीक्ष्यते। अथ अधुना सर्वकर्म प्रवृत्ति हेतु निरूपणेन ऑल कर्म प्रवृत्ति सर्वेषां कर्मणां प्रवृत्ति हेतु तस्य निरूपणेन सर्वकर्म प्रवृत्ति हेतु निरूपणेन यथा अवस्थित आत्मवस्तु विषय यथा अवस्थित मीन्स एज इट इज आत्मवस्तु ब्रह्मवस्तु आत्मवस्तु विषयक केवल ज्ञान विषय मीन्स विषयक यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड केवल ज्ञान मात्रा एव नॉट कर्म समुचित ज्ञानम and jnana matra means not some repetition after that jnana. Kevala means no karma samuchaya. Jnana matra means after jnanam there is no tadakara chintana you have to do and then think that the first thought will remove ajnanam or the last thought will remove ajnanam. No such thing. अज्ञान केवल ज्ञान मात्रादेव सकल संसार अनर्थ निवृत्ति ही सकल संसार अनर्थ इज बिकॉज ऑफ अविद्या सकल संसार अनर्थ निवृत्ति ही इति इमं पक्षं दृढयितु कामः आह दृढयितु कामः कह सुरेश्वराचार्य है हु इज राइटिंग सुरेश्वराचार्य he himself is writing Sambandhokti and says now I want to make it even firm that jnanam alone will give moksha and jnanam without any follow up after that to do some repetition etc ज्ञान मात्रा देव सकल संसार अनर्थ निवृत्तिरि इमं पक्षं दृढयितु कामः आह इह च इदं परीक्ष्यते. So here after आह we can put a comma or something. So इह च इदं परीक्ष्यते, this is the parikshanam here. Means we are going to examine some further thing. So how we are going to question, and through that we will see what is the further discussion. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।